Hi, my name is Ramona Williams with the Springs Home team at Keller Williams Partners. We are sitting here in the beautiful Erindale Heights. It's a community that's actually kind of set back, but yet close to everything. You'll see beautiful trees, tons of landscaping. This home was built in 1986. Come on and take a look. Hi, I'm here in this grand living room. Take a look at the nice hard hickory floors. We have a beautiful stone fireplace. This home actually features 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and a 2-car garage. This beautiful gourmet kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, undermount lighting. Check out that backsplash. Anything and everything you would want in your kitchen to entertain is in this kitchen, not to mention the beautiful tile floors. The open formal dining room is located perfectly between the living room and the kitchen. It's spacious and beautiful, not to mention it has a large buffet countertop. Just off the main level, you'll find the master suite featuring crown molding. This suite is super large. It has an attached spa bathroom. You gotta check out the tub and the master closet. This walkout basement features a wet bar, theater room, 2 bedrooms, a full-size bathroom, and a junior master suite. Anyone want to play some pool? I'm Ramona Williams with the Springs Home team. If you're interested in taking a look at this beautiful ranch home, give me a call at 719-244-2333.